Hello traders. Here's a very powerful email I received from one of the legends in the course who constantly shares his journey, and this time Brad opened up more than ever. This is Brad's month of November from October 31 through November 23rd. 100% successful trading. 18 trades, all positive. Has it always been this way? Let's take a look at the email I received. So here's confession of a very powerful trader. So in the last 2 years, this is a bootcamp spread done. Continuation Ranger bulletproof. Everyone witnessing this, and this is the third bootcamp coming up. What do you see instantly? Wow! Is this too much? How many bootcamps had Tom Brady done before winning 6 Super Bowls? Over 600. Did you know that? How many boot camps have anyone done before winning NBA championships? How many boot camps have Michael Jordan done? What does it show to you? Brad loves trading. He becomes only better every single day. But as he shares in this email something very powerful, he shows and states, Alice Bootcamp and tutelage taught and continue showing me subtle and obvious price action definitions that help me to invest in yourself. That's what I do. And as you read this email, you see something extremely powerful. If you've been to the website and you saw Brad's video, he accomplished over 385% return on 25K original investment. And that's posted on website here. Let me remind you where you can find the video. If you come to reviews section, you can see Brad's journey to success here. And this is what he accomplished after 20 years of trying. You can see it all on website. However, is it shocking what Brad is sharing in his email? Oops! Brad hit proverbial wall of greed and ego. Performance started to dim. Oops! Brad is only human. That's a stunning reminder. Every single human on the planet, every single trader will go through difficult times. How you as a trader managing these times will determine your trading career. During that time, Brad was embarrassed to even reach out. He could not believe what was happening. Shocker, Brad is only human. He has an ego. So what did he do? He called and he said, oops, I hit a rough patch. I told him, it's absolutely normal. You are only human. What is the most important thing you have to do? Limit your time in front of the screen. Less trades, more money. Take one and walk away. Is that surprising? What he had done again? Of course not. You only need one, correct? And that's what he had done again. 100%. What is the amount of screen time? Less than 20 hours. You don't need anything else. What you need is quality. Agree? Everyone with me? So when the students accomplish this, within few minutes after market open this morning, as you can see, 954, 23 points on the yes, James 30 points on the yes. You don't need anything else, as James says. Mastery classes have been life-changing. Can't imagine what boot camp will be like. That's the reason Brad is in boot camp, despite this performance. But I will constantly remind you, no matter how spectacular your performance is, your success rate will depend on quality, never ever quantity of your trades. Your mindset is everything. The most important part to remember: do not babysit junk, as I warned you. Nothing here to do. After spectacular run on Dow, after spectacular push on S&P, this is junk. Brilliant trader done for the trading day, long time ago. Nothing good is happening here. And that's the power of intelligent trading. Agree? That's it. Simple. You do not need many trades. What you need is quality. An Alpha Fibonacci trading system delivers that. For the last 10 years, students all over the world trading the method. So if you come to the section of reviews, you will be amazed how many spectacular podcasts you can listen. Students from all over the world sharing what they trade, from beginner to hedge fund manager. We're constantly uploading more and more and more and more. If complete beginner trader like Pablo can be successful, what is stopping you? If Sam can lose everything in the war in Syria and his daughter finished Harvard last year, what is stopping you? Every single trader is a different story, and every single trader is only human. So are you. So please listen and review, and remember, you are only human. Even if you accomplish this phenomenal success, even if you win in Forex competition with a method, even if you produce these results on options, what do I know 100%? There will always be rough times in trading. How you control your ego, how you control your screen time, will determine your success. And that's what math's all about. Ultimate precision, ultimate accuracy. In a bootcamp, we'll be focusing on mindset every single day. Genesis Live Trading Bootcamp will never be repeated again. This is the first time I will ever do Genesis Trading Bootcamp with Genesis software. It will be available only via recording. One spot left for new student. Software included. Genesis strategy never will be taught outside of bootcamp included. Genesis software included at no additional cost for the new students. So if you have opportunity to grab this last spot, you are making a brilliant decision, as many graduates all over the world had done. Again, it's additional event to Alpha Fibonacci new group of private mentoring students. While we are in this boot camp, everything else will be closed. And when we will reopen next year, January 6th, you will be surprised what's coming next. And that's the power of the method. More software, more phenomenal strategies introduced to graduates. Choice is yours. What instrument, what time frame you trade. So please review and do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click on Contact Us section and call or email me. 925-257-4298. As S&P and Dow reminding you, you need a quality in your trading. You do not need to babysit junk, as market can do this for hours and hours and hours. Spectacular support stopping Dow from collapse. But as brilliant traders had done, buying Dow from support, nothing here for us to do. This is intelligent trading, traders. And that's what I teach, and that's what I'm very proud of. More and more strategies coming next year. And that's the power of the method. Ultimate accuracy, ultimate precision, no matter what you trade.